Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use Emojis menu on PC or laptop in all types of windows. It's easy to make the menu of the emojis appear, and you can use any of them inside any Windows program. To make this, press the Windows and period buttons together on your keyboard. And now you are ready to use it in any Windows programs. As example, you can use it with Microsoft Office Word. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.